Barabara kabisa msikilizaji yakuruko Alfred Ombiro mosamo kungusana soko bugibukana gukora matera y'igitamaduni kinengero ya yagotebaganga kumuranje ga kimo bwato kire madieba egende gidege 15 na ibiro motegereri azichinsa ibiro chibuno mambe nzane chi Afrika ya Mochemi studio. Siko peke yangu msikilizaji, niko na wageni ambao wamefika sasa hivi, ADS Nyanza na vile vile mwingine ni ECD promoter tokea kule Manga, Moroke Cecilia Mungare, na vile vile tuko na Daudi kutoka Ministry of Health, wako hapa ndani ya studio. Watatu baada hajafika Kerara Ikenere, tutakuwa na sungumza kwa pamoja. Lakini da singi nchibiru mwachumo tegereringa nchiri mngambariga bagani bagasi studio ase imambia bono tuchage chinkoni chiye maseye motiga igoron tuacha na ladies first. Leo wacha tuanze na wanaume kabisa. Bwana Daudi kutoka Wizara ya Afya litanganyikara mukoni motegereri motebi ngamali taburunge tumanye go chaka chinkwana
tigangire mambie ko bakoni abategereri asemo abatamwensi akira lietalia ne Kamiri Daudi Nyangaresi kongo kora ni Minister of Health, currently on station in Murabu sub-county under the office of the sub-county MOH. I coordinate matters in nutrition for our sub-county.
All right. Asante sana Madam Cecilia Mungare. Karibu sana litangani kwa ni mugusiando sia saveta simambie motebe malieta oboronge ikiwa korangire kieke araria sangapi na kwa nini?
Omwancho mutageria sote karete mambia bono ngo kwa ninga bwakire bia. Nenja samalieta nenguru ku Cecilia Mungare kurwalia Manga. Ikongo korana ADS Nyanza mune promoter. Muna umwalimu gosomia iguru ya abana basiri 0 to 3 years.
Okay. Asante sana. Tutaracha katika ngo kara tochorerange bicha Kamiri to understanding tutukuchu kukonda litukuliele ronkere kieke na seki indi tumanye guchaka chinkwane chie Bwana Daudi.
Mbuya mwana asili bagana ande. Amangana teenage pregnancy. Abairenga abairaga kwa nura sobwa gale sababu imekuwa like a menace. It's becoming more of a national issue. Wetani a county issue. Presently, ngekroto ku number statistics. Ase abangine mia bako ibora. Ase nationally 14 bare abana bare teenagers between 10 years and 19 years. Togo in terms of a county yetu ya Nyamira pamoja na Kisii, actually data ya kuru 2025 mpaka 2026 niko nayo na telikoro kiwichengia ekoro kinga Nyamira iko tole 18%. Iko no minatinga asa bangina bakubira Nyamira emia abana 18 iko wale below 19 years. That is 10 to 19 years. That's not a nice picture. As much as ndali allowed kukwanira Kisii County yenyene, which is our mother county, they are actually doing even worse. They are not doing very well. Again, tunakora nande this morning, ina pull that data again for these two counties in terms of chikwota. Equota aso mwaka tuwata chikwota inye. Ikarongolo January to March 2025. Burabu sub county abana bale 10 to 14 ya wate abana 10 bakonyora abana. Abale 15 to 19 abana 98. Ikarongolo Kisii County in totality January to March till 2025 abana 67 banyoreta abana balenge 10 to 14 years. Halafu 15 to 19 abana 1684 in 2025 yoka. If we can jump from 2025 same period, that's January to March 2026, Borabu abana balenge 15 to 19 abana 67 wakanyora abana. That's a very big number. Kisii County abana 1744 wakanyora abana, still within a miaka ya teenage years. That is not a very good picture as a county ito. Miaka ya luguru magega chikaunti chaba gare chale gutangana konyora chikatu tangane ta satambe. We see we are doing very well, but chiko ambako lekanange bato elie getekyo ono tutanga in towards the wrong direction. So if we move away from the numbers and put these numbers to faces, all of us maybe in this room in our villages where we come from, in our households where we come from, think of our daughters. Nzachinde mnatora wata abana wake wale miaka 10 to 14 years. Imagine umwana yingo wabere muto yitu koli alero. The kind of impact gocha as a family you is not a good one. Na ambaye yamana no go seek healthcare services, for example gocha clinic, is always a problem because usually bago time ko hide the pregnancy during the right time. We want to go seek medication. Nsajinde skuru teko gandara, one which means so mwibuli oyo bwate umwana oyo 10 to 14 ochakire kolenda abana babere at the same time oyo konyana lete teenage dote na noyo gochikobara keki noyo gochikoiburu. Chinga kinyinge we assume abana aba they are innocent. We look at them like ruguli yaga muntu kalera 14 years 11 years, they look very innocent, but the way na so mirich nambage, what shows is a different picture in entirety. Abambali banyarira gocha koibura nyagitari. Then let's peel it a little bit back. Think of bali batali gocha nyagitari, bali bagokora unsafe abortions, balinza chinde batali konya orobolito. So which means abana abaito as innocent as they look, they are sexually active. Sometimes we even think even more than the adults are. So that's a scary picture. Again, we can link these indicator ya teen pregnancies to perhaps HIV new transmission rates. So nya abana 18 asemi bakonyora bulito mbalenga balenge sexually active batanyora to bulito, which means they didn't use protection, which is the use of a condom. Mbalenga banyora the HIV during that time. Kala to link teen pregnancies to HIV transmission rates to realize again our two counties Nyamira and Kisii etanda to kuruaneria county jirichaga tutanganaire so very seriously na gutangana in HIV transmission rates. So it is a very reliance as the county governments we get worried. And it shouldn't be an role here county government alone, be it a Kisii, be it a Nyamira, be it even the national government alone. Teen pregnancies, it's supposed to be a coordinated effort from the church, from the government, from non-governmental organization, for example, the ADS Nyanza now, mnabachira story. We invited them about 3 years ago, watusaidie in resource mobilization, in talking to these teen mothers, and that is why we've come here. So it's a big picture, and we want also to invite the media, as Kisi FM this morning, so that this information gets out there, so that things are not working as they should. So far, the way DSA it is the church is there, of which the church talks about abstinence, which is the most ideal situation. But however, from these numbers, then abstinence alone is not going to work, which is why we advocate for usage of either protection and no plan for pregnancies, so that abana have birth control washanza. Usually between us and the church, because the church is talking about abstinence. But however, that's our chance already. What must we do to make sure they don't become pregnant, they don't get HIV? So that is the government perspective as of now.
All right. Asante sana Daudi kwa kujenga taswira nzuri sana. No nyino motere libo no nyore bichu manyire ntuko kwanera ngirikiko ndo dira se topic ya lero gegotebanga supporting teen mothers in nurturing care. Kine kitu tuko kwanera litupeli lero na nenta geteto chake no musubati Cecilia Mungare arato tebinga teen mother ningo na ndekero kende amakongo bagwetera nararia ya especially ekero bakuruberia nganga kibabwenerete kulinda abana bali banyore.
Teen mothers abana balia bataraikira emyaka bagwenerete konyora abana. Bona konyora omwana bwa 14 years onyoriro omwana pati mbaya. Ekera nyoriro omwana igobona obeiro muiburi. Kwamana konyora ne gari ngese school otigire school. Teen mothers asense meye ende nkonyorore nganko babale nkorusana nigwa bare gose kwanyora na se familia senginjo muiburi ate expected omwana oyanyora obulita abo muiburi kwanyora ngo muiburi sachinde bwe murunganiri sachinde otokonyeire omwana oyo bona ombaliko bamo kurende bona ntwese kenyoru geito kiamanga korwa engaki ADS Nyanza ya chitase kenyoru geito egatobekamo gastosomi minantu ECD promoters ngonyara konyara tora abana abakoruku teen mothers bali banyara to abana asechinga ki chita bwenereti to ababekamo na abayibuli bali bande banyoreta abana yagera twachamo ntoko barusanania twendera gusomia abana aba muna bagweneta korera abana singincho konyora mbara ikera chinga kicho konyora abana nsachinde muna be bisete muno yo mtaika go kwana bataende ti clinic mapema basomi gwigoro ya yokorera abana mbali konyora obumanyi mbabwati obumanyi bwokorera abana aba korende kiombe gitu ki ADS Nyanza kero kyanyorera abana abanyorera abana kiababekiramo konyora bara mafunzo muna bakonyora bakurenda abana ababwate asama okabo nabo igo abayiburi ngo basomi bale gwetera faith readers ngamba abasa kwanga abana ba safe family baika abana aba ange bababwati kolera abana eliyenyareko banyareko bayinsa chindu kuirane school basome.
All right, asante sana kwa tuerera subu imetika turagendanga se umwabisa musubati Cecilia bwerese irebiya sana igoronga wa teen mothers imbara byaba na kero kine bichando bagweteraniririye timanye tinga obuyabu okobegeria nganga kiba bwenerete kulinda abana ababanyorire mburu byobo na kero kende nga amegerie ngo bwenerete kuyarunga kya kuruwa
igoro to extend the topic igoro yali kukwanira about abasacha go participate.
Yes.
Ona akere 18 mato yanyoriro mwana a good chance ingelinga oyo maito mwana is not in the picture. Amepotea ama hataki kuchukua responsibility It could be another teenage boy ose monto manene sadly. Bono yata iria mafundisho emineti umwana oyo gochikoiburwa ata gochikoikia their full potential. Ikoleka tuwa kwa na moment start matter chinga kiri chengencho emineti yani kero mwanya bandai wenda ikere full potential, not just living. We want to live to our fullest potential. Nyene milestone ira bantu wachibe yo kwagura chinga kiyo kwagura abega kwagura within that time taetani metinyiri ogarkiek yo kwagura. So nyembali kanyora mafundisho milestones njigo chikuikerwa okonyora abana bange none skuru mbago chikaba bako iguya usase how do we put it, academic performance ira agarkiek ira sekokea oyo ko ba mafundisho chi platform ne chinyinge choko mafundisho. For example, una Cecilia Tebire, una RACD promoter. They begin from the villages. Togo cha nyine kanisa as well. Ya very pulled in. Also ire ensemo yoko na mafundisha hiyo. In health, kusasa government, we also do the same. Through maybe chiefs barasas asenye gitali nyene. So the platform na nyingi. For example, what we are doing at the moment, this present moment, is also a platform for Somia abanta sobonge. Yes.
Wana ginari kuburinga, why is it important? Tinkiere gento kingencho kiagara na barabodoro chiko banyorera bana, they can be assumed ngamba manyete kolerane bintu bindi bunebi nkiene uyobo yambaro uyobo nkiura tebya motegere likere kingencho mono gocha kobegeri tini matters yabanga ngaki bakwero beli asoboleli bwa bana babo asinchirenga buneyo na kero kende you can touch on nga tini mato yoma etero monto taraigere miaka kero kende yokonyora umwana no yine skuru tarakora ngaki kiata konyora bugeka oyo bagonyora komo yago toka na ende bune ministry no ngitambogero kimokoira
una nati kakatebo yora oyo bakonyora umwana komo who is also a parent can either be mwanafunzi onde go say teen boy huyo take responsibility ana ID awezi enda kufanya kazi so which means provision is a problem. They could be umonto manene, and actually most of the time sakere teen mato ya nyegitali sajinde wale nyegitali we try to link up with the children's department. Kala toko link ine children's department. The idea first is to ensure mwana are very provided for, because abana are very provided for because na abana already vale. The second idea is to get justice for this teenage mother by maybe kotema go prosecute oyo maeto mwana nyakaru monto monene. But many times a challenge ego chera prosecution means parents ve teen mother baka babe willing to show up to court to proceed with the case, but many times they are not willing. The moment bako which we sanke go chugo support kasino mwana oyo, which could be so chive chinke maybe less than 10,000 shillings wameachana na hiyo case, but a few months later usually mwana onero go chago let nyegitali with serious undernutrition which could be severe or even mild. So obu yabuko support ye both the teen mother yaitaira ne back to school kose abe ke school on hold for a year ara gongi omwana at least ara musukasuki yake naone medinyi stand even above obu yoboro bonge. But challenges usually chiko chinyingabo because chinga kichinyinge okonyora teen mother most of waka teen mothers ebako ruchi family jirigire economically challenged in that tebe chitabuga ti chibesa kiralera abana ababere. So the whole thing becomes so complex kebwata a lot of challenges geta iti department chinyinge chibeka kwa bako kusudi a solution resound yamanya kutoka.
Okay.
Yes.
Asante sana yakuru kwa Daudi gale omobisa kurwa ase wizara yobochenu kurwa ase sub county ya bora wo motegereri ekero togende kurigereria ng'aki Teen Mathers baranyare ko bagusirwa ekero bakwirubiria egokora oborindi obuya gocha sabana bari banyore nonya banyorera se chinga gikiri kitagwenereti musubati Cecilia Mung'are timanyiti bune familia ng'aki familia rosie amazingira maya ayikero kende aramokonye omuibori oyo nyoriro omwana se chinga kichiria abwate miaka itaraika
bune family igego support omwana oyo onyorire omwana gwetera so kumukorera guidance and counseling na kumuikange bamorerera omwana aira ne skuru asingincha abana aba mostly okonyora abagwate miaka emeke babeche caregiver chi omwana oyo ira ne skuru aenderera amasomo egerache gwekonya guchumutwe.
Okay. It was as simple as that. Bana Daudi.
Yes.
Kero ndoche Cecilia kero siriki ya vile samali sana. Timanyeti inkiura kwanere igoro. Manyete kero okonyora bune familigete abana tote babanyaruka barogo simba bire bonsi banyorira abana nyumba chinga kichitaraika bono stigime ego chaka ogocecheri okonge nkinayo rache kotote bibona abana babo banyorira abana nyumba gwazinga kibona abana bamanyeti kintu bagora something like that timanyeti ngaki kintu bune gekera nyare ko bagekurwanigwa na koerinda abana babachigotwara environment ngira bakonye nonya no okwiro buri kurinda abana bari buya
ntebe ganga omwana is a blessing irrespective of ngakikiacha. I've seen a number of cases ekero gochichiri ugo chaka koba but emyaka ya manyako yaremeke yagenda abana bali bansa jinde bana babera bachukuru. I'm trying to assume ngana abayibuli ababo bomunyaruko bagochichiriwa yanyalekana bachukuru aba they end up will become one of the biggest pillars in that particular family. So njenda atebo mwana gachire wichebo yachicha, let's do the very best that we can. Wachichali gunkobo kolende society at large etora batebye kusetora bakanyenga umwana gaikire gocha tiakore keke tigachicha banacha twensi tobe kokobokoro we reduce the stigma.
All right.
Because lero mwana lero you never know. Sometimes we tend to thinking we know our children so much but wage surprise getotana koro.
Kweli kabisa.
Yes.
Totarage ndanganchire kitora bakonye asingincho yoko eroberia kulinda abana nechinchira bwende kulinda na ndenga kitora ba make ba understand abana are they allowed to do family planning imbanchire wakora family planning ndionsi
yes na ndente yetali ko family planning because they have got no families to plan. We put it like
but you know Mwabisa,
we put it birth control,
yes,
not family planning. Because when we say family planning,
yes,
that's what the church begins a fight with us.
All right.
Because the church is saying abstinence
all
up
right
till marriage.
All right.
It's not happening. Now those who are abstaining, they should keep abstaining very much so, and we support them in that endeavor.
So what is family planning almost?
Family planning is or an adult, and in family planning you have the children when you wanted them, you have the number you want when you want it.
Yes.
Family planning is not about reducing the number of children. It's about having them when you are ready to have them, the number you want, the number you can support.
All right.
We talk about birth control, and we advocate more for dual birth control.
All right.
Dual means I'm a protect from getting HIV and that STIs like syphilis, like gonorrhea, protect from getting pregnant again. But now, in fact, we have got a huge fight.
Right.
This is a teen boy. Mwenye hata kufaa condom hajajua. You know, they tend to think kufaa mbili at the same time means more protection, which is super wrong.
Okay.
Even affording that condom is also a challenge. Maybe.
But you're giving them free as a ministry.
Sure, as a ministry it is free. But
yes,
there are times to what they stock out. Sometimes I carry a teen boy uchire maybe in a facility to get the condoms.
Yes.
Then a facility staff that's maybe totally sensitized dinga abana should do what? Should get the condoms. Gosonyora umunyagitali onana ero molisi bwe kanisa you see one almost our kanisa about abstinence, but not this teen boy has come for condoms in the hospital, you see. This teen girl has come for birth control in the hospital. Na omanyire kuumira modoricas nurse in this particular facility. You see, it becomes a bit complex.
All right.
That's why we are so working very hard to sensitize first ourselves as facilities. As much as we may be so stuck on, they should not get birth control.
Okay.
But they are doing this thing.
All right.
How do we know they are doing it? We look at the numbers. The numbers are saying 18 out of 100. The numbers are saying 1,740 something in 1 quarter. That's in 3 months in our Kisii County. 60 plus in a small county like Nyamira, you see.
All right.
Then as much as we may hide our head in the sand, it's happening. So we advocate for birth control, but
right.
for those who have begun this journey.
All right.
And birth control methods sio kila mtu ni shindano. You know, we hear a lot of information out here erroneous. Etaliekene ngako ndali kila mtu ni shindano. It's not like that. We have got more than 13 or even 15 birth control methods. Kila montaka wa assessed eye suit ba sale ne miaka yaye ne condition yaye and all that kind of thing. So birth control is individualized. Talinga the water for all of us.
So umwisa asukuru abo sinchibiro umwana yomoke a teen mother oyo onyoliro omwana atatenda age tabuga ati experience tabuga ati bomanyi bonde okwaneirwe mayito mubiro maybe she might be an adolescent
Actually she is.
Okay. Na ende konyoro omwana doesn't meaning adolescent yaera immediately. So bado mwili wake unaendelea hivyo. So na bara kwane ruta change onyoro nando tagwire kujimoino chire. You see? Ngakibona mwanda kokorwa ke njira teyo agwete kugiterwa kerende kiagera to kumanyenge uchikora next.
Actually these days all mothers upon delivery they are given birth control on the spot.
Okay.
There and then you see kutu. Before finding and nyumbani.
All right.
But besides birth control, we also have to talk to this person.
Yes.
Mondo manena at least nabako chako ira at a later date for a serious conversation. But umwana we want to make sure papo hapo.
Okay.
Because if you don't do that,
all right,
uinaende after 1 year,
yes,
mtoto mwingine amekuja.
Asante. Sasa hapo tuko pamoja kabisa. Maybe ntaragenda sema Madam Cecilia Mung'are, because actually we have like 14 minutes remaining. Tima digo sono kwanera ake some of the key nurturing practices chibuenerete kuegeriwa ndatebo mwibuli yomoke utaratwara bumanyi ase asubulindi bwe bumani ndanyare ko baka understand we bamokonya se ukwira buli na kulinda nonye no mwana oyo. If you can take us through, maybe mention a few. Tumanya ko genda se Madam Cecilia Mung'are na chiko tumanyi yake rebuna an ECD promoter ngakiako konya abasuwati buna baba kabanyorera bana. Let me call me young was it amaro teen mothers bune bakuru kugaiga kenda banyaruka bakibatara igire myaka kina bayiwa tabana ngaki buna barabuna promoters ngakibako konya sinjoko improve parenting skills, yani okolera kuliko abana ngakibako bakonye chiringa bune. Maybe if you can take us through asubu
as nurturing care gosokolera okwa abana kubwata pillars isanemo. Pillar ya is good health, so that teen mother amanya ki umwana is in good health. No enga kiara akora amanya no anyeri kuba lya liro mwana libera lya chire igoro enga kingo muhiro mwana ewe immunization mambo kama hiyo. So hiyo ni mafundisho ya kwanza. So good health is key number 1. Number 2 is adequate nutrition. Adequate nutrition for this teen mother actually begins from breastfeeding for 6 months. But in your na take ile yako na ko challenge yango ende school yongo tigango ngyo mwana ngo kalero mwana. So adequate nutrition that moment is important, right, for both the mother and teenagers. They eat a lot anyway. Watu teenagers we know akamkata kidogo anafinya hivi kamaisha wana naanda anyole ichokumukinia kusudi kile potential yaye anyole yako ngyo mwana wa naande. Consider again all the stress that's around this.
All right.
And we said earlier there's a good chance I will come from a family takale tikeke itabuga tichibesa se chiresa chibalende bonse. So adequate nutrition na nere na mbemo. Safety is the third one. Safety omwana is a bit is a large topic, but if I mention a thorny one, safety can we've had cases of anas mwana musini akabareped. You see, you wonder what were they thinking. You can't figure it out in your head, but it happens. So that safety registration amangana birth is also vital. But again, considering etini mother utabuati idio jokar kek, you could register mwana. So it means that fanya registration using kebande ya sokoro yo mwana yo makoibu. So that is a part of safety.
Right.
Okay, and is responsive caregiving. Responsive caregiving, I think again ali tafu serious ke usi. But meaning yani observe mwana ngiata gete oge kole chinsa chiyakrate keke agita it. Omwana could be crying atagitarare, but kwanya robugete wa interpret kwa misinterpret yo kolera ku mwana wechi toro no gukuragira. You see, ose ugukorera guko kuboroire with gukuragira. You see, yani you respond to that particular need by observe mwana carefully what they want at that particular moment. Again, the opportunity for early learning.
Right.
Mwana wenda an opportunity for early learning, and you tara the patience anyway, because when you twenstera tora bible karo ko se nyomba mwana takoro kia ganto kalia kora kiek aso malero, you are tired, you want to do this, you want to do that, but you know ita tara the patience, because ereta tukicha ko koro kalia ere so slow au koro gendo already ayo manyete.
Okay.
Now you are like, what are you trying to show me, and already I know this thing.
All right.
So that opportunity for early learning is so vital, but it is the patience of the highest order from us parents.
Okay.
Yes.
Asante sana Bwana Daudi from the Minister of Health ya masema wikase ECD promote muswati Cecilia Mungare ayebuna ECD promote ngakiko konya elinde ko improve the parenting skills usoko wabole liwo mwano yo mokonyo liru na 18 matha.
Etit mate yento bwate chiku group to form team and ECD promoters wetera CDS Nyanza chiku group to form tingo somitore teen mothers enjera bagwenerete kolera abana ababo kuba taitore batumie praying materials. For example, na bago chesa no umwana nabo yo 3 to 4 months nabwate nkolengereria nabo kumobekera nawe negesicha kwanyora umwana gakubwati gesicha keria igo kwa kiniri okolengereri ku umwana esengenje sukurusi gesicha keria nabo konyora umwana gakurera. Hinde kende kya kabere nko somitole ya teen matters ya baiguru yo okorageri okuya ku umwana. Abana biboli bande mbale tokorageri abana asengenje okubarageri baigote tatamaitinga ntogwenerete kwa abana endagere bwenerete egochenge emibiri yabo. Wana teen matters yabango basomitole iguru yendagera bagwenete kwa abana babo eriegere ba balance diet abana bakine biya muna bona. For example kuba somitole nga kiba kwa abana endagera tigabagikisha nga kagena nkarororo akuga bwate proteins bagikise nga mba omwana green vegetables asoko bakonya asoko konya umwana ya tware vitamins ya somubere nawe vitamins ekiko konya umwana gutanga amaroire ande ayara bu umwana kabere twama elia gatatu amana kosomia abana aba nga bawenereti bagotokonyera umwana karomoke bagwenete balera abana asenjera yobwanjani egere mbabasa go create disturbance asobongo bu umwana oyo gukina bono ande twamana kosomia abana abanga banyara ko babakwerwanirira asokonyora asokokoro ubuntu bwabo bokoboke abana babengine mbale baru bale bakurushi family kitenyarete bono dia nyora to umwana umuburi umutika guchiabu gonga bona sengine tali kwenda na nyen school tali kama kolkende EDS Nyanza netoete ebintu bino gotuobo eriegere twinikari teen matters korosiege teacher barosiege teacher ke banyora chinyeni echi chigokonya onia pengino ogorero umwana nonye pampers oyeka chinyeni echi chiamokonya umwana onyora vitamins igo ase nkoraya sukuru ADS Nyanza ase eng'encho yanyarete koba gegotereta ang'e eri twanyare koba togoikera abana babake abu batarenge goika bantange ntware konyara abu ADS Nyanza konyora itaraja ntwarenge konyara go communicate no omwana onyorire omwana ase ekenyoro ase eng'encho igo kware kwa base ingine ng'a omwana oyo orachi komokwanera agotogonyere gosa korame lakini ase eng'encho ADS Nyanza yachitega tosomia tokanyora obomanyi twaikira ase chifamily echiga bona abana batoli friendly na barabu ngocha bara ase group basoma amang'ana amange aiga ase group baichira as falas bagosefu ase ebiombe byabo eye kobakonya baenderete gokubekumukia mono asokorera omwana babekumukia mono asokurigie bese enkenke eye gochikobakonya gukini abana babake babwata samago kabo.
Alright, asante sana asing'encho jide kando chiya minyokire sana timaitinga bana Daudi. What do you think abana ba teen Marthas babonete kogenda se usabonete kogenda na masomo ida kogenda se vocational institutions gosino wanya kwira na se skuru yesekonda na kogenda na masomo.
Ntebenga amasomo arusi rio batakaye meche menge. That is a documented fact. When I told him at we went to some school. That's where I talk about the cake to walk it. So I think we should also make sure that whichever level of learning they should also proceed go enter school yabo. Case in point in that in many occasions we should weigh between ita and school usabe ke school on hold for maybe a year arakini umwana kidogo arafacha kokara cake hata kogenda na masomo through masomo gosiji vocational training na bakonyora skills chira make sure ngonyora bali chibesa lituka selinde chibakonye asobalelwa mwana oyo inyendri tuwate ideal situation whereby government policy education na ya health chikobwatana we usually have a small disagreement. Recently, in Kisii University, they created a breastfeeding center. I think everybody's aware about that. So that abaswati abago nyora bana bale in school, in this center, ba break shortly from classes, ba gongi abana, and then they come back to class. Yale kunyarikana in vocational schools and even in high schools. We can have such a setup to allow child nurturance through breastfeeding. However, chi policy chivire njikoranga njiri ko iwanana, but then that's what we have at the moment. We could hope whatever that happens after a short break of breastfeeding, for example 6 months, learning must be resumed, be it a vocational, be it at a regular learning sessions.
Okay. Yes. Asante sana labda seo buango timatie Mosubati Cecilia nkiura kwanire asaba sacha na bana bamura sema ya bene neliye yekerokende sing'encho yogo toratebe yogo support owaleli obuya na kerokende wetanga korwa sebinto bino bitokoroka nga teenage pregnancies.
Asense maya basaja gwanere gose abana bamura barasenka abu kare kero totara tware ADS Nyanza mbarenge goika abana nge kubwata abana igo bamanyete nga abana na ababangina na ubakorera abana lakini into se kinyoru gitu mana twasomera amasomo gwetera senjo ya ADS rero igo konyoranga abasacha nkubwati sibale abangina korera abana saingine nabo konyora abangina mbabwate gasi nyingi bagweta kuchia kurenda abasacha rero nabanyorera amasomo nko babali ne chinsa cyoko bana abana yagera barabungo twara bale time guchiesa no umwana na guchiesa no umwana igo kwa mukiniri ase ebirengereryo ase ngenjo kumanyare ngo onya kwa maserero mupira nere gago serera back okonyara ngumwana uyu ukinire igo rero abagaka tiga babe ange korera abana ase ng'encha korerwa abana gotokubwaterana twins ili tokonya omwana oyo akinibia.
Alright, asante sana.
Ningomente kenteke mo. They start there's a part of that question which asks anga kibara konya ko prevent teen pregnancies, that's the boys and the men.
Men and boys, yes.
Into a tour session ya men only, I think 2-3 months back, to talk about matters nurturance, matters teen pregnancies. Abasaja they have a big role to play in preventing teen pregnancies, and even the boys. We need to talk to the boys because I don't think I'm comfortable with my 12-year-old son being a father.
Right.
It's also something disturbing. So we also need to talk to them that they need that protection at the same time. So the boys should not be left alone. A culture you culture if a boy has a girlfriend, 14-year-old boy has a girlfriend, there is an element of proud kidogo, unlike kumano monyaroka. Ajata never the boyfriend at 11 years. The reaction will not be the same.
All right.
Yes, so we need to change that particular thinking.
Okay, asante sana. Omotagariti mede sino twari bolio ase ebindi tobero tukukwanera kerokere na bora tutabia ye ingi kwarira bwa sekenyoronga kikwarire teen mothers abagusirwa kerokere community in terms of konya gokora oboreri obuya timaitia ye entumanye tengerekiege na bogosanga 9 asemambie na kerokere na bora tutebinga ayena device cure anyareko bagokorwa gochia se abana buna bagideka tubwate sina botorera maswali ya kindly enyento kunya kwiranira sibona botorera na sigideka isano kiribosyo tonyareko batokorera mini watu turabada simibirisa tunakorekodia maswali ayo na botokwirana toyairaniriye nkayo mugusi. Hello.
Gredi tukiangera iringi cyana mukari mukalimu nobu maene aiga musocho abana abanga abakaba umwana oyo monaro so grade 9 niga
simu yake imekatika, pole sana kijana mkarimu. Hello. Hello. Huyo simu yake haipo tena. Kisii FM. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Kisii FM.
Yes, oyo. Network ya Oteio. Tafuta network utupigie tena tafadhali. Kisii FM. Hello. Huyu pia simu yake imekatika. 0706181822 na 0796988630. Tukotaka uchukue simu 2-3 hapa turudi tujibu alafu tumalize. Nkayo Mugusi. Hello. Hello. Nkayo Mugusi. Hello. Huyu pia network inamsumbua manake simpati. Nkayo Mugusi. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Kisii FM.
Nere Nkayo Mugusi yengoyo?
Nani kulingiza mjaka nyare tindebe.
Ndio.
Nga kare kuba kuongeza sana batoto ya mangana maya. Lakini bono riswari nkobori ni.
Ndio.
Bo kunyora abana baita bange banyorira abana. Ukara bara sivnyoro kunya kotosome lakini ko abana maroro batara manyubu nakitoko tukonyora batosome ke kora bayiburi bande bangira abana senyinju banyorira abana baba tukutire bakobatenga kenda semwaruseti mwana mubwata ni muzirenda abana tigagonjanda tigango batokonya na kitoko kwa.
Okay, asante sana. Shukran sana. Tigatobeke break ya gatogera mangana maya sinchira yobo ikerano kindly toira nega igase egegayede akange 12 gachiribosyo igotura irejede akange isano iga ko bwata simibire na kwirana ria mabori ya kegera bono ndoche cheragere chinsesa to chibono mambe tonyora mangana maya sinchira yobo ikerano. Bwana Daudi, nafikiri utavumilia kidogo turudi hapa tujibu hayo maswali tafadhali na mama Cecilia Mungare. Ntira nasege kegera bosi naomba usicheze mbali tonyora mangana maya sinchira yobo ikerano na utikoleto solenere Ronald Mayaka Brigadier asige kagijide kange kombination gachiribo tutarejea hapa tubase kukuneke minero ikegera muboli ya onsi ngo chale kuranirwa nabo bisabara igase studio. Igoro
umwencho mutegererio Kisii FM migotoko wakira ngambia asogo tokore station ya Enjori yomugusi.
Kisii redio bora kote nchini kitamba, burudani zimurua zote wanazotupatia, wakitupa burudani nasi twazikumbatia, wambea tu wape nini ili mwende ritaya.
Kisii FM.
Kisii FM sasa ni moto tena wakuote ambali.
Kisii FM iyenero enka yomugusi.
Kisii FM emerongo kianda nenye enuguteyemo enka yomugusi.
Rwa chintanda nye chense gosi
abantu abange bachandegete kweli kweli
tigabaida niye petroli nse ne t-shirt nse ekiagera nyone ne bintu kugikogora kurwetuka bono yokonyora bire ebeigo
nangu sababu alimu baba sakoseli abana ko chaka se sababu bogema bwakongire tolemererania
abana bakurara nyaro tatu mwabo na mama mwabo barara buliri ukuragira kuka kuri sita
no tuligie biroge bitoko likindo birigi na maskani tolengere tingi kigesa ukieto kiochikoba
Kenya wa chini sisi ndio tunaumia.
Mafuta hapa penye imefika hapana. Customer anakataa kuingia Hoberu kimwendezeji wa mafuta haelewi.
Ilikuwa UDA pesa mfukoni, kumbe ilikuwa ni pesa kwa mfuko yake.
Nitahakikisha ya kwamba we build a proper economy. Na hiyo kujenga uchumi inahitaji akili.
Hatuwezi kuwa bila power. Lazima tupate power.
Aya namangana maya Kisii FM tangu chinde chonsi chitayo tegogoto wewe.
Murai wense ya Kenya nigiranire gocha sense ya Kenya maiga yetaro ya matuka 5 isiko yense ya Kenya. Uyo kabiro mukonyi bo murai wense ya Kenya muskeri gadiga shagwa nigatebere buna Kenya nigo basiryo ko semire ne serikali yabona. Kurate nigo yarurwe gucia sabantu kulinda magima y'abana banyaruka ekero bagasoma chisukuru cia masoma iguru. Asaya muna yanda mange mambia bono moncho motigereri nigongo kwaligania elindo nyare konyegwa senchira yobo ikarano kolengana bona twekira semesa yaito ya mangana mayia chinsani sato chiabana mambia
umwancho motigereri bono toerera uyeigwe buna gwateka kurwa semesa ya mangana mayia ime ya Kisii FM.
Ronald Mayaka.
Murai wense ya Kenya muske Dr. William Ruto nigairanire imense ya Kenya mambia lero maiga yogokoretaro ya matuka 5 uchiase chinse chesi kelinde koroisyo bwa matobu yagatie chinse chionense ya Kenya kolengana na mangana korwa senyomba yobura ya state house mbe mucho Nairobi. Murai wense nigara chigo chake na inde taro asichi county au chirogongoro pwani ya Kenya elinde koigora nago chake mirobelio au ya magendero uchiase bamenyi bense megio. Murai wense nigobo igaro beiri guchie gokora chinkwa na muraba menyi ibechi county cha Lamu, Kwale, Kilifi na Mombasa unenchera ye moyo kubairesa igoro ye mirobelio au ya magendero eye serikali roberti gokora guchia sabamenyi ibechi nsemecho
igogenderete gutegerera mangana mayia kurwa Kisii FM enka yomugusi.
Uyo kabiro mukonyi bo murai wense ya Kenya musikeri gadiga shagwa nigatebere buna Kenya bange nigo basiriri okwege na kurwa so murai wense ya Kenya musike William Ruto kubwatikana nechira chinyinge chiabalire taba Kenya kirarenge kuligie kirugo okyo murai wense kurende bono chinyinge chiabonchira ikirana gochia sebale kukwana kurwa sense ya Bongereza abwasage ndrete netaro ya yeyo kumira na buna Kenya au bamenyata sense yo musike gashagwa nigatebere buna emirobeli menge nige kwa mete kurwa goikirani kwa kubwatekana no bukurumya bonene ubugenderete goikirani wense serikali gentokie irire nibe nyinge gusira gochia se emebuko ya Kenya bene nigo gashagwa atebere buna Kenya nigo babwateli bagalisa inelyo gochikora bonchirolia gochia sobora iwense ya Kenya sobo cholio bonene bole bosio elinde Kenya nyale kogenderera buna chinse chinde asemirobelio au ya magendero.
I can tell you William Ruto was trusted by Kenyans. They believed him.
The guy was very persuasive. He was hardworking. He was everywhere. Bottom-up economic transformation, signing economic charters with the people of Kenya. Uhuru Kenyatta tried to say this guy is not good for the country. Please don't elect him. He will mess this country. Nobody could listen because he had promised heaven to the people of Kenya. And they believed it, they trusted, they were loyal to what he said. But he did not mean, or he was saying he did not intend to do it. And that is why you find the people who supported him most are the ones who have the biggest problem with him, because they were loyal. So they feel more betrayed than even those who did not elect him. In fact, you find those who did not elect him are not having a very big problem with him because they don't feel deceived. They knew he's not good, so they are saying, we told you. But the people he deceived, the people he convinced that he means well, the people he convinced he will transform their lives, and then he has done the exact opposite of what he promised. They are very bitter, and they are looking for revenge on the ballot, of course.
Igogenderete gutegerera mang'ana maya kurwa Kisii FM enka yomugusi
ekurate nigo yarure guciasa abantu gukwanira na gutanga ebikora by'abana banyaruka goitwa sechinse mo ao kubatekana na mang'ana ya masani akibwanchani anena sechisukuru cia masoma igoro umona siasa kurwa sense mo yebunge yabo machoge chache imeje county ya Kisii Musubati Violet Nyapara nigabuliri abayibuli amone serikali kubwaterana na koro isie bikare byo bikorwa libaga guciasa abantu gosemania igoro yogo okinia umwana munyaruka na enchera babwenerete komenya elinde gwetanga kurwa samangana yo aragosereria magima abasenchirende onsi nigo boigo Musubati Violet asemiria basubati gwetanga kurwa gutumike nibo yabasacha abo batabwatikirenga kende gyonsi na barabo elinde gwetanga kurwa sebikora by'abasubati goitwa senchira etagwenereti.
Abana baita abaiseke we have failed from home to let them to be comfortable in whatever thing they are getting. Abana baito they are very ambitious. Ebata itobogi maboli bago kopia abantu bande batama itinki bago kora na barobo basobogi mabwabo. Abana baita abaiseke mbagenderete gukwa. Twasomi abana beta biya betete bagende university banyorobogi maboli goroga igabuli batararora. Asengenjo ngantu abarogete sweet baby korunga tukabatebiridika na hii yako kidogo banyole kwa babako rukweli eteli na basacha bali babwate ebintu banyole kwa babako ba wasted. And again, we are not standing firm okemeye ntekeye ko kuna gender based violence in both genders. Tiga gutumye ibintu by'omuntu otabwati enganyo guchi asali osotaroche na kende nkegendere guchi asali. Abana baito ake government tubekere nonya na matuko toteinga litukeli nelyo kwenleite na abana abaiseke litukeli nelyo kwenleite na abana abamura elinda abana abonsi bamanye what is happening and how they are supposed to bring themselves up when it comes to flashy things. Heko garondita yutagete mechando.
Igogenderete gutegerera mang'ana maya kurwa Kisii FM enka yomugusi.
Ronald Mayaka
abanyanyimbo kuromanga nigo bagenderete n'obutukibu abo kubwatekana negekore kemo abwase umubere bw'umwana omokebwe emyaka 5 utogeta nyombe tamenyiri asensemo ya mukwerero kimira kitutu masaba county ya Nyamira umwana uyu muraselieta Bravin Mukaya kwenye gusoma sukuru ya mukwerero ekirasi ya PP1 nigegotabekana kwenye abolete kurwa litukuri aramisi abwase amate yaye yaberege kuri umwana uyu wikekero mubero yo kitekonyorekana kubikire bunyeime asenyombe ya metamenyiri abanyanyimbo nigo baigeta senseme yona kurusya mubere bumwana uyu na kuyira senkendu asebono bachakiri botukibu abo igoro yega kole kikegenderete kubaichani abange kurwa asenseme yo
Aramisi mbonere atuteri ya entangani ya sasaba umwana garuzu kuru PP1 yale mukwerero agaraja ikanga bakaka aganyora gina korotai mwana oyo agapiri tabu nsabu kwana kala abantu bali kumuli akabura abantu bagage bikuru utuko matati kutoka ona mondo naro ja agage sinye private ya sabanga 150 egaitiranga babona sinye private ngwali kumaina kiaji kwera wanti gaiterero saine uyibona ki daya umwana uli otoki ara nyumba ne twanda ujoro mugambi urange bitose urange ojo tenino teinto yandange ne nyumba uruwabu waganyira basigari baje sasa bagire kibija bagire otabara kana banyorenga umwana nero yuri nyumba bikirebu
igogenderete gutegerera amang'ana maya kurwa Kisii FM enka y'omugusi.
Umugabana w'ekaunti ya Kisii muskeri ngusabuka bero umugabana w'ekaunti ya Kisii muske Paul Simbarati nigasokire na gukwanira uko obwaterana kwaya n'umurayi w'ense ya Kenya muske Dr. William Ruto abwasate bere buno kubwata nuko niko kwarentera amagenderera mange gochia se county ya Kisii kako kwana chinga kiatwaletege karona bakuri boncherulia kurwa se county ya Kisii ritskole goro musike Simba nigatebete buna kurwa so abisi nigaberega kurwania mangana y'obukurumi egentukia beirege koirera amagenderera mange korolekana gochia se abamenye be county ya Kisii chinga kicho boigo nigo muskarati amocheti bali bagenderete ko mochimiro belio aho ya magenderero yagenderete goikirania insio buraibwaye na kwegerera emirobeli yeyo ya magenderero buna nigera be yengencho cha sabamenyi ba Kisii.
Vile nimekanyaga pipe nimepeana basari ya 1 billion 1.1 billion kwa kukanyaga pipe. Nimenunua tractors za barabara 1.2 billion. Nimekanyaga pipe. Leo hii watoto wetu wa ECD wanakunywa maziwa 250 million. Nimekanyaga hiyo pipe. Leo hii ukiangalia pale ile ni milk factory. Jana nilikuwa pale, wameniambia in another 1 month imeisha. At 200 million tunanunua maziwa kutoka kwa wananchi.
Kisii FM enka y'omugusi.
Chinga kiyagendere tumoncho mo tegereria mu MCA be ward ya Chuni eje gotoka sense mo ye bunge ya Nyaribari Masaba imeje county ya Kisii muske Wycliffe Siocha nigasokire kugikerio boraibuga yo mugabana be county ya Kisii muske Paul Simba Arati ukwanira barikia mangana magia litkore goro muske Siocha nigatebete buna oburaibuga yo mugabana Simba nigo boirire gutwara emechande menge na inde nigasinyirwe goikirania merobelio aho boikiranu ya magenderero buna omugabana na kulina obosibole abakore mirimo se county ya Kisii igokora mirimo yabo korengana n'elichiko chinga kicho boigo nigo muskesio cyatebere buna ba contractor nigo bali nirwe nonyene libagali gokora mirimo na akulina bamenye be county libagali okorwa bokoreri bwabo uchiya se serikali ya county ya Senchera ewenerete
ngikiragere umuntu ubugoli kigasi iba gobwante ko kwembawa aba contractor abaito bagusinga iga koimoka kwa load kigasi kwa mawatenga contractors baitu ngamba bwate capacity kwa manya kubwata kwa karendo ki kwa chiloti kwa kobera abakwe unabono abagere unabono ababate ndete beragete ege minute ngabera ketambia ko tene mugusite yoro kunyara ko tene beragete tubwata abana baitu bari chinchi nyabo songo gaiga tubwate department ya mechanical works tubwate civil engineers abate ndete chipara engineers kabisa ba kolega asibia ngikiara ko gero mwana bwarati to because already abanda abalikire aiwe ko manyana gwachitoka pale dia abantu stadium mugali ngana ki abandaba etorikeira abantu bakorunde biragita abange kubwe biragita bitoka tendo ki tubwate abantu bali kwa parity njuta arenge ko bahera libaga barunde biragitebi uchikolika nanda abantu bane na bali bakorunde biragita bad no bali batabwate biragita bakorendo ki bakorunde
nigo boigo muske sio chatebete bunegesa kukyo mugusi nigo barachi kumubwate sio muske Dr. Fred Matiangi aseganga ya yabwate iyo kulige kirego kyo burayi bwense ya Kenya bwasatebete bunaniga bwato bumanyi boisaine bugochia gokora emirimo gochia sabana inchi inse kwa wali bagali okogera ense ya Kenya
nekero ko rumwe musio ndo bwensi akodiva naye kebirengera rwose korengera rwose mwakore ibintu kwaranga bintu bimbiri kwanda buronge ayo mwana bwarati ni wigo mugwacha kumnyukia ba MC wacha kubangaisha undo bwensi ne bane staff wacha kumuminyoki utumeka chikuni lakini nda takota yabanga chinga kichao chiere mugusibo no chimotuna boni gatu atebanga nduri gutumeka anymore because kana mati yangi are ukarusi bago Nairobi ukarusi bago Nakuru ukarusi bago Kisumu ukaleta agaiganga matiyangi barminyo kimatiyangi ngamatiyangi taso agusi na hinjengo tebaigana ane ko tebuko sabo mugusiyo ite 20 pese tuwabetanga bono tigato sibere bodere na ande to soka nduri ko because 20 no to igore gusiga iga no to kinete gusiga iga tigato 20 bono to bera maga ya umuhango ko ngana Fred okengo matiyangi na ando ko tumuru ane sese gergo chimutuga iga yokoligia ekirukia ekiwo president
igogenderete gutegerera amang'ana maya kurwa Kisii FM enka y'omugusi.
Chideka cha butokero mwancho mo tegereri ni 15 igoro ye chinsa isato chia abono mambia na inchabu no ntegetenya kurira senchira yobo ikirano korengana abunato ikira semesa yaito ya mangana magia ebambi yabono biamona sengenchi wachora ko yategerere me Kisi FM yandira gutegera na indechi ko bachinsainye ngo chanda igankumanya so bwenge bunanda te gutwikira semesa yaito ya mangana magia Italiana ni gonkoro kwa Ronald Mayaka.
Omoelio bwa mangana magia bunaletwa asole na Kisi FM enka yomugusi.
Eye Nkisi FM enka yomugusi ebirengo by'emirongo 94 enuguteyemo.
Ayano matekere de radio ya Kisi FM imeye county ya Kisi gose county ya Nyamira.
Kisi FM kachire kuma
Nogani tiko tuma matangazo ocha radio ya Kisi FM bono na bogoto nyora gwetera saba chente baito au bagoto kasi chinsa mochikubwatia Kinsa mochakeroka nyoro mwachente ito imiye duka ya Ondari Enterprises ije kutoka separa ya Kisumu ndogo kinsa mechichakeroka Aino momenyi bwebunga ya umachoge borabu tutarira service yeteji kutoka so mucho Kenya angene stage imeyajaribu Waste Filling Station na bari kinsa mocha top nyoro mwechente Kisi FM imiyeduka ya Hamas ijire mbarabara negetaseni kyamanya nyimbo kya manga
Kisi FM enka yomugusi
gendera gutegerera Kisi FM ejenero enka yomugusi
kayomugusi kuja igoro
omwencho mutegerero Kisi FM nigo toko wakira ngambia asogo tokore station ya enchore yomugusi
Kisi radio bora kote nchini kitamba burudani zimurua zote wanazotupatia wakitupa burudani nasi twazikumbatia wambea tu wape nini ili mwende ritaya
Kisi FM
Kisi FM sasa ni moto tena wakwote ambali
Kisi FM ejenero enka yomugusi Ayano matekere de radio ya Kisi FM
kachire kuma
Nogani tiko tuma matangazo ocha radio ya Kisi FM bono na bogoto nyora gwetera saba chente baito au bagoto kasi chinsa mochikubwatia kinsa mochakeroka nyoro mwachente ito imiyeduka ya Ondari Enterprises ije kutoka separa ya Kisumu ndogo kinsa mechichakeroka Aino momenyi bwebunga ya umachoge borabu tutarira service yeteji kutoka so mucho Kenya angene stage imeyajaribu Waste Filling Station na bari kinsa mocha manga top nyoro mwechente Kisi FM imiyeduka ya Hamas ijire mbarabara negetaseni kyamanya nyimbo kya manga
Kisi FM enka yomugusi
gendera gutegerera Kisi FM ejenero enka yomugusi
Jitamba burudani zimurua zote wanazotupatia wakitupa burudani nasi twazikumbatia wambea tu wape nini ili mwende ritaya
Kisi FM
Kisi FM sasa ni moto tena wakwote ambali
Kisi FM ejenero enka yomugusi
enka yomugusi
Radio nambeyemo eboto bomanyi enka yomugusi eboto bosenya inkaninka
94.1 yo 94.1 enka yomugusi
Safi kabisa msikilizaji, jide kamera ngibiri cha churkiensa na usease chinsa isa tuchivono mambia chinsa cha Afrika ya mocha enka imugusiki CFM moja modele. Leo nitukulia Alhamisi ikiwa basi ni TBT moja maridadi sana. Kero toka nderete numero ulimu minchuri mianse matu wa soile ya omo alio kigima nchivuna botambe nguru kwa du omo nya kirogo na nyuma yoko nyorama iya sinchira yobo ikeranu nere Ronald Mayaka Brigadier bono igago tukira ndera chinkwa na chita sige keke sana kera nonde nabo bisagai gabuna nali iranta gete kuira nense meye inoku wata simibere satuiga asinginje yokonyora maboli ino elinde banyale kwa bakwirana liga tutarakora kurwa iga jideka isano na mochuka iga tukule 0706181822 na 0796988630 ngosa bakobo mwango sana kwa genda se point yeli boli lia all straight elinde ebanyale kwa bakwirana lia abo bisaba enkai mugusi hello
right
kijana mkali
mkalimu
haraka upesi swali
mauvevosire kuwega musocho
ndiyo
kagete koboliga n'ubu maena abana abo cyaka myaka 10 eyo bacandekire nainde edacandegete abana aba barabu bako banyoria abana kusaba bako banyoria abana nainde bamanyire baro kera abana babagendete korerwa sogorro banene kabire okorera omwana uyu nandi kogendete korera obutukuru inakia abantu baba bwete bonchu ngoko bayanyaro mwana mugura kwimyakemete ereta korera kende ekiagerera gendete kohokana kuina wiri na bakore bigenda musoma byo mwana uyu musalija musomo kiba bweta tuwati babwete kuyire kuna bakanya baba okorera abana bigeze inche kabire atekibenge kabire kwa nyambara.
Asante sana kijana mkali mkarimu. Habari yako tumeipata vizuri baba. Kisi FM, hello.
Hello Kisi FM.
Nere nkayo mugusiye.
Wakire biyana mo bisagu.
Wakire ngoyo.
Mimi mwana waikira yabara wezi nyoso kama nyalango Duke yako toka.
Karibu sana ngo Duke.
Nitangani nataka kupongeza hao maafisa pamoja na hilo shirika. Kwa kazi nzuri wanaoifanya. Liso ndio anaenda kwa bodi na abo ofisa. Pamoja muna wabwa teneri shirike hiyo nkiranero ro wabegete mekakati goikera chinka chirikinta kama no kyagara to kome tikorangi ngentege tanga ko inda abana baba ke konyora oburto bwa mapema ande yake no gutaka nkiranero ro baranyara konye family na jikinta kama no ende yake banyara utanga obumno ndiye mono.
Asante sana jamani ngo Duke ngati na botokoraniria iyo subwangu sana tuchakena Umusa Daudi ndiro aboletie Helen Kurutindereti igaboleti nganchiranere abayiboli abana aba bakibakonyora abana barabe trained na barabuo kero kindi bamanye ngakiba kwandora abana abanonye banyorira abana banye babera abayiboli abakena barabuo. Is there a way
ko minyokia abana korunga? I think it's against the law.
Okay.
Kumenyekea umwana wanga because are very pregnant, it's against the law because unamfukuza aenda wapi. If anything, a chance na ndio kwenda wote waka very high because already yota de kumotoma kuchia solio mo it could have been molestation ranyera ga raped. Ando de kumotoma ngaira ndio mwana oyo ngamwira ndio asese oyo le molester. For example nyolengo monto monene. So I think it is so very much against Trichiko. So we shouldn't do that. Area to seek to make Trichiko, no? To seek justice for Manoy.
Alright.
Nambe mo a few steps oraire is to go to the children's department. Alone check claim. Department yawana can help you to go to court. But itakitayo manyene bweto mesana. Paka bweto mo manyako ayonsi amanyako ikerana. Mo koru department ya children. Mwende polisi mweke report. Halafu next from the hospital bado mnasapa report yoko orokinga mwana yake ni teenage mother. So hiyo yote inaweza fanyika. A challenge tuante onata wakati toko nyora jinka kichi nyingi when we start these proceedings tuanyore mwete abana teenagers ni wakaidi kidogo. Kwa nyoro mwili ngo mukanya alenge sachinda akaraki. Taji gotia masharti yo mwili mate bana mana yago ale kuligina arake. Akonyoro sikwa yanyore. So ota yabango tiga ko kwenda mugondo kose kukuligeria ndagerorie and ndakobwati ndakwira kotini na mambo kama hiyo. So bateka economics over uko ndamangana kotini. So that's what happens. Abande batuberera such cases nsachindo ya eto mwana yo ulitono mondo a family member known baranga angola there was so in our family, so wanaifunikia. So that's what happens.
Okay.
Yes.
Asante sana naroboli ya kijana mkalimu mkaya kijana mkali mkarimu kura mosocho kabolinga karokende ngakimogo tikalende bimule no mwate bangana babira be bumulebike gosena bako bomonto monene na bera toke karokende ngwate bangana bako ba rape case tetagire bayuli baba batindi but in a case okonyoro omumura na amanyire nonyekale miyake mekenere gosomo ntomana what do you do ngimogo tigera abo nyaruka go chandika buweka ngistebe ngwate kote ko te mugwante kuira
kitambo kirwante kuirua. Huyu kijana pia anaweza fikishwa kotini, especially kale kama ni mtu mzima above 18 years kuwate kibande. Lakini hiyo utabuate kibande wale below 18 years hata yeye anafaa kuzungumziwa so that abayibuli baye batake responsibility yase aso mwana wirwe. They also need to take some level of responsibility.
All right.
But huyo above 18 years ni kupelekana mbio because mtu ako na ID anaweza kupelekwa mahakamani ama kotini ahukumiwe na hata apate kulipa so that mtoto wake akwe taken care of.
All right.
Yes.
Tima think yura menteraye Muswati Cecilia Mongare gumo bisanya reko bagakuyereneria na bokendeke atukenga nkiri kwa komentera na bokomentera tutarakora chinkwa ni chikegera ngukora tuguchi.
Ekinande komentera nkiri esiri swalero yo mtabuli litangani nga abana pengi no konyora bako seruguru chinka igento ndatebya abayibuli ase chinka bababera banene umwana kanyorira umwana eiteri omweri bubugima umwana yekera ikirwange ayirire pengi na bora nyore nga twateba nge family ni gerense ayiru no ene se kosie ya magoko no ene kosie ya saruni enyaruka gose kosie tailoring na bako nyoro umwana oyo saingi na gwetigana ase ngencho konyoranga aba barenge na baro basomire bachira arengo na gokobyari ekenyorumu na bare biya umwana oni ga gwetigana onyoro soro kora egasi yaye uchimutuga iga na endo beire biya ukiniri umwana oyo biya na inde tigakwanirwe ase chinjera cyobwanjani tali okumoseli umwana na bakwira nuri araisi amakoso egere unyara koba kagutega chimbuchiri cya yabwate chimbe esengencho tumeire no etali gogotebia umwana na bakurigire inga yaya mama konyengo ndebia ari gostata konyengo tebali iga nabe na tumeire iga inkinda akore kerko okogamba nere bia okonyara umwana uiranire maega uri aresiria makosa aye.
Right, asante sana. Maybe your final remarks bana Daudi.
Ndebe li swali lilia teen pregnancies sio swala la mtu mmoja ama la government moja. It's a community issue. All of us we need to put our hand in it, be either a government organization like KDS Nyanza. Like if I may extend a little bit the kind of support they are receiving, the number is few but they get to generate a business idea. We have supported with some small monies, not much, but some small money, so that they start an income generating activity. Throughout we see it to our research organizations because ADS they go cover both Nyamira and Kisii in entirety. We have our organization that we focus on the children. Information is power. It's good that we get this information out there, so that with information you can make informed decisions